Hello, 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 everyone. Welcome to Miss Brenda Dee's Place. Today I have a special treat for you all. Today I will be making a pineapple upside down cheesecake cake. Yes, you heard me right. A pineapple upside down cheesecake cake. If you would like to watch me make this, please stay tuned. In a medium to large bowl, we're going to add in our Duncan Hines Butter Golden Cake Mix. Next, we're going to add in 3/4 cups of whole milk. And to that, I will be adding in 4 large eggs. And now I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of pineapple juice and 7 tablespoons of melted butter. And now, using a hand mixer, you're going to make sure your ingredients is mixed very well. Okay guys, now that this is finished, we will set this aside and start on our toppings. Okay, here I'm adding in 5 tablespoons of room temperature butter and a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Okay guys, I really wanted to show y'all this, but I'm just gonna let y'all know to use a bigger bowl than what I did because it got really messy using this small bowl. But this is the consistency that you will be looking for. Okay, now we're going to take half of our butter, brown sugar mixture, and we're going to add it to the bottom of our pan, making sure we take it all the way to the edges. Okay guys, I end up forgetting to tell you to spray your pan down with a baking spray. Here I'm gonna spray my sides down since I forgot to spray the other part, but it actually still did pretty good coming out of the pan at the end. So if you just spraying it like this, it's fine, but if you want to, you can spray the whole pan. Okay, here we're adding on our pineapples. I use 5 pineapple rings on each layer. Okay, now we're adding on our cherries. You can add as many cherries as you would like. I only added 1 in each ring and then 1 in the middle. Okay, now add in 1/2 of your cake batter. Make sure to take the cake batter all the way to the edges. Make sure you cover your fruit and topping. Okay, make sure that your batter is nice and smooth and repeat these same steps with your second pan. Okay, a good way to get air out of your cake is to do this, and it also helps even out your batter in your pan. After we do this, we're going to put it in our oven on 350 degrees for 35 minutes. Now that it has been 35 minutes, our cakes are ready. To ensure that your cake is ready, make sure to place a toothpick or fork in the middle of your cake If it comes out clean, your cake is ready. Now let's get started on our cheesecake. Okay, in a medium to large bowl, add in 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. Here I end up changing bowls because it really wasn't whipping like I wanted it to. Make sure you whip your whipping cream to a soft, kind of fluffy consistency. Make sure not to over whip. Okay guys, this is the consistency that you want right here. Okay, in a separate bowl, add in 3 8-ounce packs of cream cheese. Okay, here we're adding in 2/3 cups of sugar and an additional 6 tablespoons of sugar as well. Now add in 3 tablespoons of vanilla. Okay, I purchased the 1-ounce bottle of pure vanilla extract and it took the whole bottle. So if you're making this cake and you're going to buy your ingredients, just purchase one of the 1-ounce bottles of pure vanilla and that will be all you need for this cake. Okay, that's all our ingredients for our no-bake cheesecake. So we're going to mix our ingredients on a medium speed and we're going to make sure everything is mixed very well. I'm sorry guys, I thought my camera was running, but it wasn't. And all I did was added in my whipped cream that I whipped earlier before I started the other part of the cheesecake. You just fold it in, make sure you get it nice and mixed up together. Okay, now set this aside and now we're gonna get our cake out of our pans. Okay, now that our cakes have cooled, we will flip them over on plates. We're doing this with both layers. Both our cakes came out really easy, easier than what I thought it was since I forgot to spray the bottom of our pan, but it actually came out pretty good. Okay, that's our second layer. So I'm gonna put both of them side by side so you can see both our cakes. And this is how they look. They look so good, y'all, and they smell delicious. I didn't show this part, but I put my cake inside of my cheesecake pan. I can't remember exactly what size pan this is, but I will remember to leave it in the description below. Okay, now we're gonna add in our no-bake cheesecake. Okay, make sure you put as much as you want. The only thing I would probably change about mine is I probably would add less cream cheese in mine because you'll see at the end. But that's the only thing different that I would do. Like how much it is right here is probably all I really should have added in. But I went ahead and added all of it in. Or you could split your cakes down the middle and you can make it actually a 4-layer pineapple cheesecake cake. So it's a good option, whatever way you want to do it. But like I said, me personally, the only thing that I would have changed, I wouldn't put so much cheesecake in it. And like I said, you will see that at the end. Okay, now we're gonna add on our top layer. After that, we're gonna let our cake set. We're gonna let it sit in the refrigerator so our cheesecake part of our cake can set. Okay, I allowed my cheesecake to sit overnight. So now we're gonna remove it from our cheesecake pan. Okay, this is the part I was telling you about. I did struggle some getting this out of my cheesecake pan, and I'm thinking it's because, like I said, I put too much of the cheesecake part in it. Here, all I did was take a knife and smooth out my cheesecake filling and brought it up some over my cake and made it look more like a, icing around the cake. Since my cake ended up doing this, what I could have done, and if yours turned out something similar, what you could do is add around the edges the graham cracker crust. Now that we got our sides nice and smooth, I will cut a piece and show you the final results. Okay guys, here are our final results. I hope y'all really enjoyed this video. Remember guys, to like, share, and if you're new to our channel, please subscribe. And always remember, you're always welcome at Miss Brenda Dee's place. Goodbye guys.